Hey guys, so we have found a van life product that we think anybody who's got a Sprinter or a VW Crafter or a similar van should have. It provides extra privacy, it keeps those nasty bugs out, and it hides all those messes at the back of your van you don't want people to see. It also keeps you pretty warm and gives you extra insulation in chilly weather like this.
If you're new here, we're Tasman Travels and we travel full time around New Zealand in our trusty Sprinter Matilda. So let's show you what we've got.
This is a fantastic new van life product that we've been looking for some time, and now we wouldn't live without it on this van.
Yep, it's a rear door thermal screen from Van & Camp.
So before we purchased this rear door thermal screen from Van & Camp, whenever we opened the back doors of the van, we had no privacy. This was before and now after we did the bed build. Anybody could just see in. We also needed some protection from those nasty bugs and those really horrible sandflies you get, especially around here on the South Island. And on those cold winter nights, there was little to no insulation here in the back of the van. That's now all changed.
We searched high and low for a custom rear screen that would answer all our problems. Everything we came across on the market was super expensive and required you to fit the screen behind the door seal, which we thought was a pain as we didn't want to have it up all the time.
Van & Camp are an awesome company based over in Asia. We have never seen a product like this simple. It fits Mercedes-Benz Sprinters 2007 and onwards.
The best thing about this screen is that it can be installed in less than a minute and then removed instantly whenever you don't want to use it. Thanks to the strong rare earth magnets all around the edge, it simply sits around the door frame and acts as a barrier between you and the elements.
It's made from thick insulation and durable fabric to keep the van extra cosy. It also comes in two parts, which is awesome because it means we can take the top part off if we just want to cover the garage, or if we just want to get in the garage we can lift it up or take that off completely and still keep flies and nasties out of this bit.
The top section comes with a zippable bug mesh screen which stops even the tiniest insects getting in and allows great airflow throughout the van.
The bottom section simply attaches to the top section with its extra strong magnets and here around the bottom half of the door frame. This is great because it keeps all of your junk hidden, which is extra important. The bottom section also comes with a separate bug screen, so if you wanted to, if it was really hot but loads of bugs around, you could take this thick layer off and just have a bottom bug screen attached to the top.
We absolutely love this product because not only is it so easy to put on and take off, but it gives the van a much cleaner, nicer look, and we don't have to worry about opening the doors and having everything exposed.
And there's a TUI above us right now. Can you see it? We've been using and testing this product for quite a while now, in the summer and now in the winter, and we can safely say it's awesome, works a treat. You've got a 12-month warranty on this and money back guarantee. The customer service has been absolutely exceptional with the team at Van & Camp. Real quick delivery, highly recommend. Awesome.
Definitely, yeah.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.
So just check the link in the description for this awesome bit of kit. Reach out if you've got any questions. Click that like and subscribe button and we'll see you out there.
Bye.